Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we are going to see about the process modeling the evaluation of users' preferences and the social links in social networking services. Then comes the abstract of the process. Sociologists have long converged that the evaluation of a social networking services is driven by the interplay between users' preferences and the social network structure interactions. Now, traditional approaches either model these two kinds of behaviors in isolation or relied on a static assumption of a social networking services. Thus, it is still unclear how to do the roles of a dynamic social network structure and users' historical preferences affect the evaluation of social networking services. Furthermore, I can transform using the underlying social theories in the platform evaluation modeling process benefits both behavior prediction tasks. In this paper, we In this paper, we incorporate the underlying social theories to explain and model the evaluation of users' two kinds of behaviors in social networking services. Specifically, we present two kinds of representations for user behaviors. A direct representation that presumes a user's behaviors are represented directly by their historical behaviors. Under each representation, we associate each user's two kinds of behaviors with two vectors at each time. Then, for each representation, we propose the corresponding learning model to first interplay between users' two kinds of behavior. Finally, extensive experimental results demonstrate the effectiveness of our proposed models for both user predictions and social link suggestion. So, the social networking services uses users' historical behaviors to find out the user behavior in using social networks. Here, we present two kinds of representations for user behavior. Each user's behavior was evaluated based on their usage of social networks and the response for the other users in the social networks. So each user has direct usage vector and the social link vector. User preference prediction and social link suggestion was done for the users efficiently. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. So this diagram shows our whole process diagrammatically. So let us see about the process. So first we have to select the dataset. So here in this process we are using two kinds of dataset to differentiate the process. So here opinion dataset and the Goala dataset. The opinion dataset is based on the trust. So who trust whom based dataset, and the Goala dataset is this every user's location based dataset. So we have to execute the two process using two datasets. So first we have to select which dataset we are going to load in the database. So that opinion and Govala. So here I am selecting opinion and loading it in the database. Then data mining process. So pre-process should be done here. So after the pre-processing step, the next process the linked users, which is nothing but so the opinion dataset is fully based on the trust. So here we are evaluating the users who are all are trusted by different users, and who are all the users are trusted by others users. So here two we are checking for two criteria, and based on that link most user trusted links will be suggested here, and that will be showed in a graph. So next process we are loading Govala dataset, that is which is a location based dataset. So I'm selecting Govala and loading into the database and coming for the Govala process. So here this dataset also to be pre-processed. Then comes the consumption process. So here we are classifying the dataset into two based on the users and the location. So based on the users, who are all the users using the social media from, and based on the then comes location. So based on the location, who are all the users using the social links. So based on these two classifications, the links are predicted for the finally, and interested links are suggested, and finally the graph is shown. So the output from the opinion dataset graph and the Goala dataset was compared finally. Then comes the running procedure of our process, modeling the evaluation of users' preferences and social links, social networking services. So first we have to run the index.java. So this is the front page. So this is the page to select any of the dataset. So here we are using opinion dataset and the Koala dataset. So let us see about the process. First we have to select dataset. So I am selecting Koala. So this is the page to load this dataset. So I am selecting the dataset. So this is the dataset content. So this is the location based dataset. So then I am loading the dataset into the database. So here the pre-processing steps is taking down. So this is the data before the pre-processing. So this is the data after pre-processing. So here we are classifying the users and the locations from the given dataset. So these are the users ID which we taken from our dataset, and these are the locations of the different users. So here I am classifying the users detail. So then classifying the locations. So then checking the links. So these are the links which are predicted from our dataset. So these are all the user details who want to use this social link. So based on the output we are obtaining, we will show the graph. So based on what are the links we selected, so based on that the result will be shown. So this is for the Koala dataset. So the next we see about the opinion dataset. So I'm selecting opinion. So here I am selecting the opinion dataset. So these are the content of the dataset. So which is the user ID, target user ID, and the trust and the social link. So then we are loading the dataset into database. So these are the data which we loaded into database. So it shows the data before pre-processing. So here I am pre-processing the data. So these are the data after pre-processing. So then we are going to find out the trusted users, which is nothing but who trusted by whom. So these are the different users. So for the particular ID, this user who trusted whom. So this user has trusted this user. So these are the user who trusted these users in these social links. So the social link and the user target user ID will be different. So this is the who trust whom obtained from a dataset. And next it is a who trusted by whom. So this user ID who is trusted by this ID. So then we are going to find out the social links. So these are the links, and these are the preferences. So that is nothing but count how much the link was used by the users. So this result is shown in the graph. So this is the opinion graph. So which are all the links I have selected. So based on that, the graph is obtained. So this is the graph for the Koala dataset, and this is the graph for the opinion dataset. So these are the two comparisons between the opinion dataset and the Koala dataset. So here in the opinion, we have used the trust-based dataset to find out the social links. That is, here we are checking for the users' behaviors and in with other users. And in Koala, the dataset were based on the locations. So based on the locations, how much the users are using the social links. So these are different. These are the comparison between the opinion and the Koala dataset. So that's all about the process. Thank you.